Hey everybody, Anthony Castro's here to talk to you about Mastering Fireground Command, Calm the Chaos. I want to thank my brother Brian Brush for co-authoring our new book. It's been amazing for the first year. Thank you for all those of you who not only bought the book, but are using it for your officer development and adopting it for your promotional processes. That means a lot to us that you've entrusted us with that curriculum and with that process for you and your departments. So let's talk about what you're going to watch here. You're going to see a bunch of classes that we've had recently in the early part of 2025. We had a class in Medford, Oregon. We had a class in Orange County Fire Authority in Southern California. And we also had a class out on the big island of Hawaii for Hawaii and Maui fire departments. So listen to some of the student testimonies from our instructors and students that took this class in those 3 different locations. And then at the end, I'm going to tell you about some classes coming up in the fall of 2025.
This training is fantastic. It's high speed, it's professional, it's dynamic.
In the past, I'd often try and manage incidents on my own. Very good takeaways that I agree with. And then there's some hard lessons that we're going to have to reevaluate.
Where we could be as a department.
It's absolutely amazing course.
Deaths and injuries have significant increase.
We're putting fires out faster. We're doing multiple things at one time.
This will give our captains and our chief officers more tools in their tool bag.
Definitely streamline our communication objectives.
Establishing groups early, keeping things more manageable, and keeping me on the ready for the next big event.
Some of the stuff is good to build off our foundation that we have.
Really allows us to concrete this knowledge and this type of skill into our department.
Totally improves everything on the NIASH 5, especially the communications piece.
Knowing that we don't have to change SOPs or SOGs, where we get this just to be training of just talking about it and learning about it.
It empowers them to make decisions.
Closing that technical gap that we learned about this week, which is very important.
Allows decentralized command, allowing our task level firefighters who are operating on scene the ability to do the work while having oversight from supervisory positions.
Develop our strategies and tactics a little differently and allow us to use our companies in a multifunctional way.
This class lends itself to be a training environment, even in real world scenes.
I think every part of this training was adaptive to us.
Poking holes in the way in which I command and control fires, and really looking at the opportunity to really push crews in much quicker.
This training is pivotal for me moving forward. Gives me a solid foundation to work off, to grow off of, so that I know what to expect in the future years of my career.
Ultimately, we're doing it for the betterment of the community.
Okay, so let's talk about the classes coming up in the fall of 2025. The first one, Calm the Chaos Operations Level. It's a 2-day interactive workshop. I'll be there teaching September 20 and 21 in Dixon, rural Illinois. The next one is Mastering the Fire Service Assessment Center, intensive 4-day class for promotional preparation, whether it's company officer or chief officer. That's going to be at the Red Hawk Casino, the Red Hawk Resort and Casino in Placerville, California. 4-day class. It includes the online program as well. You can learn more about that on our website at trainedfirefighters.com. The next Calm the Chaos workshop is on the East Coast, Reading, Massachusetts. We're excited to come out there and have some Boston clam chowder. We're going to be there October 20 and 21. And then finally, we have Calm the Chaos, Train the Trainer, Open Enrollment. This is a big deal. This is the first class we've had that's open enrollment, meaning the host agency is opening spots to everybody across the country for Train the Trainer. So if you're one of those fire departments that can't afford to have a full Train the Trainer course in your department, but you have 3 or 4 people or 2 people or even 1 person that wants to get Train the Trainer and bring it back to your department, this is the workshop for you. So come to Midwest City, Oklahoma. The first 2 days operational, if you can only do that, is November 17, 18. But if you can stay the whole week, November 17 through 21, you'll leave with an amazing Calm the Chaos Train the Trainer experience, hands-on training, just like you saw in these videos. You'll be certified and qualified to teach at your fire department. Go to trainedfirefighters.com to learn about all these classes.